I'm Danil. I'm the owner of Safe Spray Pest Control. We look after commercial, residential and industrial clients. We like to take the guesswork out of what we do, and we do that quite well. We've invested in a lot of software and devices. So in a commercial property, predominantly there's a certain amount of different devices that we can put in, such as insect monitors, rodent stations, fly control units, pheromone traps. Now all these devices, we barcode them, and the reason we do that is so we can capture data against these barcodes. For example, in a rodent station, the technician will be on site, he'll scan the barcode, then he'll report against that barcode. For example, there was rodent activity, I've cited rodent droppings, and I classify this as high, low or medium activity depending on what's there. The beauty about that data gets saved on the customer portal onto the report, and after a certain amount of time we can run what's called trend analysis, giving a complete overview of the pest activity around the site. What that means to the client is they're well protected. They know exactly what products have been used on the site, how they've been used, what device was used to apply the product, and so on, and what did that product actually treat. Did it treat cockroaches? Did it treat ants? Did it treat rodents? So once again, recording is quite crucial, especially from an auditing point of view. So if anything was to go wrong, or if anyone was to make a claim that they found, for example, rodent droppings in their product or so on, the customer can fall back on this trend analysis and defend themselves accordingly, because nothing's left to chance, everything's detailed, everything's jotted down. One of the main things that we pride ourselves in at Safe Spray is our transparency. Now, enabled to do that, we've created what's called the Safe Spray customer portal. So every client, whether it be residential or commercial, will have their own unique customer portal. Every time we're on site, once the service is complete, the customer will receive a service report detailing what we've done and where we've done it and what we've used and what we tried to control. And they'll also receive their tax invoice as well. It's available on the portal. And the beauty about the portal is it's all underneath your fingertips. So if you ever need to know when we're coming out next, it'll show future services that are scheduled in. It'll show previous services. So if you're wondering when was the last service carried out, and it has all the details there. You can find our insurances, you can find your technicians' licenses on there. You can find material safety data sheets with regards to the products that are used, and so on. As a point of difference, at Safe Spray Pest Control, we've got something that's called a pest sighting register that's available to all our commercial clients. So what that means is if they see a pest between one visit or the other, they've got the ability to report that pest through their online customer portal. We then at the office receive a notification saying client ABC has detected, for example, cockroaches in the dining room or the meal room. Then the ladies in the office will send out a technician to address that. The technician will then record the notes against the pest sighting register, what he did to rectify the issue. Has the issue been rectified then and there? Does it need a follow-up visit? And so on. So it gives the customer a peace of mind that everything has been done and followed through. Once again, nothing left for chance. Everything's dealt with as a fact, and everything's ticked off accordingly. Whether you're a local business or whether you're a multinational company, nothing's too big or too small for us. So if you feel that you do have a need for our services, or you have a certain pest issue in place, and we cover all types of pests, all you need to do is give us a call or send us an email or visit our website and fill in a contact us form. From there, the ladies in the office will promptly contact you. They'll arrange a visit either from our business development manager or our national accounts manager, depending on your situation. We cover all states Australia-wide. From there, either the business manager or the national account manager will come out on site, have a chat to you, address the issue, do a site survey, and then tailor a plan that's specific to your need. And from there, it's quite a quick turnaround. We can pretty much have our guys there the same day or the next day once you give us the go-ahead. A couple of months ago, we had one of our customers call up where a fire had started at their premise. There was a bit of dispute between them and their insurance company. So basically, the insurance company was saying that the fire was caused by rodents gnawing at electrical wiring, and thus they were not going to cover the claim for the fire, and it was quite a substantial amount of damage that was caused, not to mention loss of business while the premise was out of service. Now, Luckily, this client was using our services and we had monitors in place. All our monitors, as I mentioned previously, are barcoded. So we were able to go back and carry out a trend analysis through their customer portal. And from that, it showed that they hadn't had rodent activity for over 9 months. So what the insurance company was claiming could not physically be true. And we presented that to the insurance company, and sure enough, they backed off because the evidence was there and the detail was there in the record. And yeah, so our due diligence and our record keeping, along with the services that we provide, ended up saving this customer in this particular scenario.